This is a very important lesson, that it is not from the character of good people to bully other people. It's not. If Allah had to correct these people and to comfort the Prophet ﷺ, then imagine the feelings that we make people go through by bullying them, by forming cliques and not letting people into them, by saying things about people, by backbiting people. This is not from the character of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. And it's true, it really is true that what goes around comes around. If it's very, very true, then we have to understand something. That if we bully people, we feel comfortable making people feel marginalized, unwanted, making people feel less, then eventually, it may not happen to us, but it'll eventually happen to someone that we care about. Whether it's our kids. You know, I've seen it. I've seen, like, when I used to bully people, because I used to be like that, right? Now my little sister gets bullied, and it kills me. But then I realized that, subhanAllah, I made somebody feel this way before. People, the way I feel about the bullies of my sister, they feel about me, right? We need to edit that out, inshallah. Well, okay, right? So they feel that way about me, right? And so what goes around does come around indeed, and so we need to be careful and make sure that we really, really take care of ourselves and not make people feel unwanted or bullied.